Alright guys, I just got a little package here, a little package I got from Amazon. Let me open it up. So I saw this stuff going around and I decided, let me see if I can look this up and order one. And yeah, they had one there. Let me check and see what I paid for this, but I'll show you guys what it is in a second. Okay, so this is a dual-headed spraying piece for your pressure washer gun. So you stick this in the end of your pressure washer. You got two ends, and you got a couple different tips. You know, the red for really streamline water, and the white for spray. So I want to try these out. I've seen it on TV. I want to see, is it any good? Is it fun? I don't know. It was $16 on Amazon. Let's see what happens. All right, guys. So you know what? I'm gonna make a fun video here. I just want to check how the wheels, the hydrophobics of the Car Pro. I put Car Pro's dark side on there, and then I put some Lone Star matte shine on those tires there. So we're gonna squirt some soap on there. We'll rinse it off. I'm not gonna wash them by hand. I'm just gonna squirt some stuff on there. We'll see how that goes. Check out the hydrophobics. Then I have this piece here. I'm gonna put on the foam cannon. So we'll foam up the car and see how that goes. So stick with me. We're just gonna have some fun, throw some foam around, and check out the new toy. See if this is any good. All right, guys. I've got some Hyper Wash and Wax. That's Turtle Wax Hyper Foam Wash and Wax. Okay, this is my own tip. Let's see how this works. Okay, I took this tip off. This is what comes with it, these two. That's my tip there. I just want to see what's the difference. So to be honest, I think their tip shoots even better than my tip over here. I like theirs better, just singularly. Now let me put some more foam on there. Okay, I got the double fister. Now I could, let me hold this. I could adjust one of these up and down and the other one sideways so you get All right, let's see how hard it is on my hand. No problem. I think it even softens up. It even softens up because it's got two of them going, but it's plenty of power and it's flooding the panels. This thing's bad. Interesting, when you hold it, the pressure won't let you spin the tips. And I guess while we're doing this, we might as well look at the wheels, the hydrophobicness, right? All right, let's start off with Lone Star. Yeah, pretty hydrophobic. Got some nice satin look on there, not glossy. Lone Star, pretty good. All right, here we go. Dark side, guys. Yeah, the dark side. That's some nice stuff. That's some nice stuff. Like it. Love this thing. This thing is so cool. You gotta get this. All right, I gotta drive my car. Must have. I'll just say must have. Buy it now, Amazon. All right, guys, the car is done, and this thing's awesome, awesome. I got the pressure washer turned off now, just releasing the pressure there. This thing is awesome. I haven't figured out if I like running it that way with the nozzles up and down like you see now, or flipping it and running it that way and turning the nozzles. You know, I haven't figured it out yet, but pretty sure I like it with two side by side. You know, that's the way I feel like I'm on some type of ship or something. Anyway, this thing is bad. It, you know, if you have one on there, I think it's more pressure, but with two, it's less pressure, but double the output. I think I don't know. I'm not a scientist. Some of you guys are say, well, the GPM and this and that, whatever. The two makes a difference. It pushes everything off there, and whatever you miss, it adds a second layer of rinsing. So fantastic. The car is washed. That was fun. I have another toy coming Saturday, I think it says. So you guys, thanks for watching, and have a great day. Let me know what you think of this. If you have this, I have seen some real expensive versions of this. This is like $16. I'll put some pictures on it from Amazon. I don't make any money off you guys. I never have. And I'm not going to put any links to it. All right. I'll put some pictures. You guys can go and link yourselves to it. And I don't ever try to make money off you guys. So anyway, thanks for watching.